Alright guys, it's dinner time. I usually don't record me cooking, but this is my Blackstone. I love this thing. I'm doing a little bit of sausage, pepper, and onion tonight. So, it's pretty much dark when I get home. I had to install this light. It works pretty good. So yeah, what's for dinner? Sausage, pepper, and onions. It smells amazing. You guys should be happy that we don't have smell-o-vision. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm making for dinner. And this pan over here. And it's pretty dark. There's my pool. Turned it on and I'm gonna let it run all night, the pool, so it don't freeze and bust up the pump. It's going down to 29 tonight. It'll be below freezing for like, I don't know, 5-6 hours. So we're gonna leave that run all night. And here comes a cash puppy, waiting for something to fall on the ground. He knows where to hang out to get some scraps from Dad. So, alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See ya.